because it rips you off. It rips you guys from money, and that sucks. You know, that's dishonest. And two, because it cheapens my profession. Like I dedicate myself to this. Like, this is what I've done for my life. So I don't want people out there cheapening my profession, right? So all those faceless videos and the people selling you content and talking about how hard the math is and all that nonsense, they're not passionate, right? They're in it for the money. Because data science is the sexiest job of the 21st century. That's not me, right? So if you guys want to read the book, you're watching somebody who's benefited from that book. Like this is part of the payoff for me, right? That now I get to have my own, work from home job and talk about my passion. So if you guys want to read that book, like I said, highly influential in my life. It's not a data science book. It's just a book to help you about life. And Robert Greene's a good author. If you haven't seen his other stuff like 48 Laws of Power, I use that one a little bit. 48 Laws is a little bit harder to implement, but I use that one a little bit. But yeah, he's a good writer. So if you guys want Mastery by Robert Greene, highly recommended. Wasim, let us know where you're from. We usually ask people to introduce themselves. Let us know your city, state, province, please. Surya, yeah, let us know where you're from, Surya. Abdullah says, beat the algorithm. I can't wait to see you unboxing your first YouTube plug. Godspeed. I appreciate it, Abdullah. It seems like that's such a far off thing, right? It's so hard to grow a following on YouTube, right? There's so, it just like, it's so weird, right? But I do feel like I'm on the verge of something big. So you heard it here first. Mute West says, thank you for your advice. You are a light in a fog of noise. Very few people do data science in Zambia, and it's very hard to find good advice online. Okay, very cool. Thanks for that. I appreciate that. Yeah, I think there's a lot of noise everywhere. It's not exclusive to Zambia. So many people out there are fake. They're just fake hucksters. So I'm just trying to give you guys a real world view and a passionate view. That's all I'm trying to do. And I'm just sick and tired of all the bad stuff out there. And again, that's why I called my series De-Influencing Data Science. Now, I have to be clear, and you'll find this in the videos.